Hey guys, welcome back. I don't know about you, but it has seemed like a very, very long week for me. I've tried. I knew that my work week for the channel was going to be this big, so I tried to produce a couple videos and then schedule them out so that they could release when I was going to be unavailable. And I hope y'all didn't mind that. I like to do a lot of them and then throw them all out at once and let y'all find them. But yeah, sometimes life does not quite go the way you think it's going to go. And that's the way it went for me. But here we are. Brand new day. Oh, brand new evening. Brand new beginning is what it is today. Today is January 20th. Long day coming, and I am finally happy and relaxed. I don't know how the next couple weeks are going to happen for me. My work schedule may get a little crunchy again, and may have to schedule some more videos ahead of time. I will do that for you. I hope you don't mind. I've gotten a lot of comments lately, and I wanted to thank everyone for all the comments that y'all have given me. It's helped me this last week that I've not been able to come here. And I'll be honest, it was a struggle to come back here today. I like doing this. I do like doing this. For some reason, it was just like teeth grinding to get back here and do this. But I'm here. So here we go. I'm going to start off today with vintage Pentatonix. Yep. Payphone, their cover of a Maroon 5 song. So I'm not 100% sure if I've heard this song or not. I know I'll find out once I've listened to it. But before we get there, you know what to do. You need to hit me up with the YouTube trinity of like, subscribe, and comment. And the link for this original video will be down below in the description. And hey, thanks for hanging out with me today, guys. I appreciate you. And I appreciate your patience. I really do. I really do. So here we go. If you're ready, I'm ready. Let's do this.
One, two.
I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you.
All of my change.
Where the time's gone, baby, it's all from where the plans we made for two. Yeah, I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be. It's even harder to picture that you're not here next to me. You say it's too late to make it, but is it too late to cry? And in our time that you wasted, all of our bridges burned down. I've wasted my nights, you turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise.
I know. I hate pausing too, but sometimes you just gotta because YouTube says it's part of the rules. So this song I don't recognize. I do not recognize it at all. Might when I get to midway through, maybe when they hit a good chorus line or something. But I'll be honest, I don't remember a lot of Maroon 5 songs. I think there's two of them that I know for sure, but possibly because they were in something else, like on a movie soundtrack or something. But I'm not 100% sure. I should have to check them out. And because I have to comment on this, they flipped Avi and Kevin on this again. I like Avi on the left. It reminds me... Well, it doesn't remind me of anything, but I like him on the left. And they got a new microphone for Mitch. I don't know why. His voice does carry quite well. All right. I'll rewind it a little bit, and we'll go back.
Sunsets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Where the time's gone, baby, it's all wrong. Where the plans we exist, I would still be holding you like this. All those fairy tales are full of it. One more stupid love song, I'll be sick. Oh, you turn your back on tomorrow, cause you forgot yesterday. I gave you my love to borrow, but you just gave it away.
I don't expect you to be fine. You don't expect me to care. I know I've said it before that all of my bridges burned
Wasting the nights, you turned out the lights. I'm paralyzed and stuck in that time when we called it love, but leaving the sunsets in paradise. I'm at a payphone, trying to go. Baby, it's alright.
Sorry, when Kirsten cut in with she's at a payphone, that's where it actually, no pun intended, rang true. That's where I started to remember the song. Quite far into the song is when I remembered the song. That's kind of weird. Kind of weird. But can't remember everything, y'all. I cannot remember everything. You just gotta give me some room. Oh, someone did give me a link for the video, I believe, that Scott saw Kevin on. So I'm going to try to find that one and to react to that next.
Baby, it's alright. Happy ever after exists. I would still be holding still like this. All those fairy tales are full of it. One more stupid love song, I'll be sick. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now I'm at a payphone. Ooh, I'm at a payphone.
Avi and that grin at the end. Did you see that? Look at him. He's just grinning away, isn't he? You know, right at the end, I was listening to the song. Granted, this was released in 2012. But how many people here, or how many of their fans, know what a payphone is? Saw a payphone. Just a payphone. Quite interesting. I like the song. I did like the song. It had a good kick to it. And I only remember the last half of it. I'm gonna have to listen more Maroon 5 a little bit more, huh? I did like it though. And I'm hoping that this recorded well. The last couple videos I tried to do did not record well and ended up getting in the trash. Because I don't like to record twice something I've already reacted to, because then it's not a reaction, it's just a watch. A repeat. So there you go. This one was recorded in August 2012. It currently has 21 million views. Good job, guys. Good job. And almost 250,000 thumbs up. I'm going to add mine because, you know, I like to do that. I like to keep track of what I've seen by thumbs up. Sometimes when you go onto YouTube and you go to your feed, and it'll have that little red line on the bottom of the thumbnail, and it shows you that you've watched it. There's a lot of times where that thumbnail's missing. I've got a question for y'all. Because there's a reactor that I follow. I'm not naming names. I don't understand this reactor's line of thinking. But I've noticed that this person will do a reaction, will publish it on YouTube, and then about a month later, will republish it as if it's a brand new reaction. And I don't understand that line of thinking. And it doesn't increase the views on that video because she deletes the last one. The last time she put it out, and then puts it back out. No changes, no edits, no nothing. Just re-releases it as a brand new view. Seen her do that on the same song 3 times already. On 3 different songs. By 3 different bands. So, give me your thoughts on that. I don't understand what she's doing or why she's doing it. I'm close to unsubscribing to her because it doesn't make sense to me. And I hate getting a notice that she's doing a new reaction when it's not a new reaction. Anyways, that could just be me. Like, subscribe, comment. The original link for the original video will be down below. And, hey, you guys keep doing your magic. I'll do mine, and I will catch you on the next one. And by the way, Scott, I love that top. I do. I don't know what it is, but I like it. I like it.